Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to hold a dumbbell properly. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this very old school dumbbell, and I chose this on purpose to show you how to hold it properly because it's really easy to show you the grip because the center part of it is really nice and small, so it's easy for me to grip around it because I don't have hands that are that large. So the way to hold the dumbbell properly is the following, and then I'll show you the incorrect ways that I've seen as well. You want to take the dumbbell, you want to place it basically across your hand right here, okay? So you're going to place it basically right there across your hand, okay? Just like that, then you're going to grip it. Now you'll notice when you grip it, the dumbbell then shifts from being right here, where the sort of the meat part of your knuckles is, okay, to the center. So I place it there over my knuckles, then when I grip it, it curls it in. So check this out, it goes from there, when I grip it, it curls it in to where it needs to be. A lot of people place it right in the center and they go like this, and you end up really overworking your forearms. And you don't want to do that because it worsens your grip overall. So you want to place it exactly where the palm side of your furthest down knuckles are, right here. Then when you grip it, you can see you end up gripping it in the right spot. Now you can see I have 4 fingers right here, my 4 fingers that are wrapped around like this, and my thumb adds support by going over my index finger, okay? Some people can go over their index and middle finger in the center, but really for the most part, you want it to go at least over some of your fingers, okay? The reason is it gives you extra strength and extra grip. When you're gripping a dumbbell, especially when you get to the heavier weights, you really want to make sure that you have that, okay? So you really want to make sure you get that extra grip. Now, that's how to grip it properly. It's going to look like this, and you're going to give it a nice tight grip just like that. Whether you're doing bicep curls, hammer curls, you know, whatever you're doing, you know, chest press, whatever you're doing, you want to grip it like that. Now, the incorrect ways that I've seen are, first and foremost, people that place it right in the palm of their hand and grip it, you end up with this grip where it's kind of weird because you're really straining your forearm muscles and it's going to hurt your grip in the long term. You're going to get stronger forearms, but it's really, you're going to tire out much faster with regards to your overall grip. So it's better to build your forearms at a normal pace, and trust me, like my forearms are pretty big, and I've done everything the kind of like the proper way. So yeah, basically, I see people putting it right in the palm of their hands, which in my opinion is incorrect. I've also seen people grip it with their fingers like this, and then this thumb just goes to the side like that. That's incorrect. Even if you're doing hammer curls, I've seen people do that when they're doing hammer curls, right? Even if you're doing hammer curls, you still need the proper grip. So don't get that thumb and place it there. Get the thumb and place it over your fingers, okay? Even if you're doing hammer curls like that, you still need the proper grip. You still want to be gripping the dumbbell properly. What you can do is adjust where you're gripping on the dumbbell handle. So, you know, most of the time you're going to be gripping in the middle like this, like I said. But if you're doing hammer curls, you can go all the way, check this out, to the top of the dumbbell. You can do that and you still have the right grip. You're just supporting your wrist by placing your index finger and your thumb at the top of the dumbbell. If you're doing, you know, tricep kickbacks, you can go to the other side. So right now I'm supporting my wrist because my pinky finger is touching the edge of the dumbbell. So if you're doing tricep kickbacks like that, you know, you can do it like that as well. But at the end of the day, you want that thumb to be wrapped around at least one of your fingers or some point of these 4 fingers right here. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.